Hello and welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 1. Today we're going to be talking about multiples, which means count by. Multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000. So a multiple of a number is the product, which is the answer to a multiplication question, of that number and any whole number. I don't love that definition. Anyways, any number that is divisible by 10 is multiple of 10. You can use multiples and number patterns to multiply. Okay, so again, remember when we were studying multiples, we said like multiples of 7 are 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 1 is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and so on. So that was the count by numbers. So let's get right into some practice today. Example 1. The whale shark is the world's largest fish. Its mouth is 5 feet long, and each foot contains 600 teeth. Okay, so the whole mouth is 5 feet long, and each foot is 600 teeth. So how many teeth does the whale shark have? So in order to solve this, we need to find what is 5 times 600. We can use basic facts and patterns because 600 is a multiple of 10. Okay, so here's what we can do. I know that 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 60, so first we do 5 times 6 is 30. But because I have a 0 here, I need to put a 0 here. Right? I could think of it as 5 times 6 tens is 30 tens, or 300. So again, 5 times 6 is 30, but now I have 2 zeros, so I need 2 zeros here. See how we matched them up? I'm just doing 5 times 6 as a base each time, and then seeing how many zeros I have. So a whale shark has 3,000 teeth. Notice that the product is 5 times 6 with 2 zeros at the end. Okay, example 2, we need to find 3 times 7,000. Okay, so if I start out with the base and do 3 times 7, 3 times 7 is 21. I could find that by doing my multiples. 7, 14, 21. Okay, so 3 times 7 is 21. I have 1 0. So 3 times 70 is 210. Again, 3 times 7 is 21. I have 2 zeros, so I need to put 2 zeros. So 3 times 700 is 2,100. Okay, here I have 3 times 7 again, which is 21. And 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Wrong spot to put it in my comma. Let me fix this here, guys. Sorry about that. So I go back 3. 21,000. So 3 times 7,000 is 21,000. Notice that the product is 3 times 7, but then I didn't add 3 zeros, but it's 3 times 7 with 3 zeros at the end. Okay, when you know basic facts and number patterns, you can multiply mentally. So example 3 says, the weight of a fire truck is 8 times 4,000 pounds. What is the weight in pounds? Let W represent the weight. Write an equation. So the weight is 8 times 4,000, right? So we need to find 8 times 4,000. We already know about that, right? So 8 times 4. So 4 groups of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32 is if I add 8 each time, I'd get to 32. Okay, so that means 8 times 40 is, if I start with 8 times 4, I get 32. Got a 0. So 8 times 40 is 320. 8 times 4 again is 32 with 2 zeros. So 8 times 400 is 3,200. Then we get 8 times 4,000. I'm just going to do 8 times 4 is 32. And 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 32,000. Notice that the product is 8 times 4 with 3 zeros at the end. Since 8 times 4,000 equals 32,000, W is going to equal 32,000. So the weight of the fire truck is 32,000 pounds. Let's do some more. Okay. So here we go. We're going to multiply. This is our guided practice using basic facts and patterns. So if I know that 6 times 8 is 48, then I know 6 times 80 is 48. 1 0, 480. And if I know that 6 times 800, so first I'm going to do 6 times 8 is 48 with 2 zeros. 4,800. So to find 6 times 8,000, I'm going to do 6 times 8 is 48. I've got 3 zeros, done. Okay, let's go to the next one. 7 times 9 is 63, so 7 times 90. I do 7 times 9 is 63. 1 0, 1 0. Okay. 7 times 900, I do 7 times 9 is 63. And 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 6,300. 7 times 9, 63. I've got 3 zeros here, 3 zeros here, 63,000. Okay, now it says multiply. So 8 and 6, so I have to do 8s. 6 8s, so if I 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. Okay, let's count. So this is 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means 6 times 8 is 48. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 4,800. Okay, now we have to do 9 times 9,000. So let's do our multiples of 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Okay, so we need 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nines is worth 81. I've got 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 81,000. Okie dokie, let's see what we've got here. Some more. I'm not going to do number 1 because we know 4 times 1. Let's do 6 times 7. Okay, so 6 groups of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 7 are 42. 6 times 7 is 42. Add 1 0, 1 0, 420. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 zeros, 4,200. 6 times 7 is 42. 3 zeros, 42,000. Okay, 3 times 6 So 3 groups of 6. 6, 12, 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 1 0. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 zeros. 1,800. 3 times 6 is 18. We've got 3 zeros. 18,000. All right, let's keep moving on. Okay, so let's do, I just want to do a couple of these so when you get to them to your independent practice that you're not confused. So let's do 9 times 5. 9 groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Then I look, how many zeros do I have? 2. 4,500 is going to be my answer. Okay, and again, I can do 7 times 4. 7, 14, 21, 28. And then I have 3 zeros. 28,000 would be my answer, my product. Okay, so here, let's find each unknown. So I'm just going to look at the first digit here. 3 times what gets me to 12? 3 times what equals 12? Okay, well, let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 3s. Okay, so that means then if I take 30 times 4, 3 times 4 is 12, 1 0. It would be 120, so that means my unknown is 4. Okay, here, let's do this one. 6 and 72. Okay, so 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Yikes, this would be a doozy. 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Oh, there we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so if 12 times 6 equals 72, then 12 times 600 equals, see, 12 times 6 is 72. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Is that what we're supposed to get? Yes, it is. So our missing answer is 12. All right. In hopes that this won't be too long of a video, I'm going to stop here. Thanks for watching till the very end, and make sure you ask me if you have any questions. Bye.